Hello, my Cancer, Leo, cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of July 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, hang on for some more time. Shortly will upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 31st. Let's go. Angels and spirit guides. First 10 days, please, for my sweeties. Okay, let's take that. There's going to be something coming up. We begin with harmony, trust, courage, conditioning, the burden, source. Avoid getting into a third party. There is a possibility that you might get, and if you get, there is a possibility for pregnancy. Okay, so be careful, play safe is what it's trying to say, because we have conditioning, trust, the source and the courage. So that's the reason I'm saying. Okay, I hope I'm wrong, but if it is, be careful. Emotionally, if you have been seeking for some pregnancy adoption, yes, you can expect that, because in this month, in this first 10 days, you can expect to welcome a new soul, in case if you are in a committed relationships. Conditioning, burden. So darlings, avoid carrying somebody else's burden. You need to step out of your comfort zone. Remember, only you can do that. No matter what people are trying to say, but you should be working on yourself, because you have that thing in you. So the source is like, people are going to look up to you, new beginnings. Okay, there is definitely strong intimacy coming up. So if you, there could be a possibility that for a few, you could end up getting into the intimacy bit first and then get emotionally connected. Okay, it could be either ways, I'm not sure, but intimacy is for sure coming up. So just be careful, play safe is all I would say. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the first and from the 11th to the 20th. We begin with silence, past lives, the Fool, ripeness. Can you see crescent moon, crescent moon, crescent moon, full moon? Something related to emotions is what it's trying to say. Finance is coming. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Wherever you travel, finance flow will come to you. It's definitely going to be good. But there is a part of you that you're not happy. That's what your past lives and silence is trying to say. The chaos is within you. So calm down. What is it? Have you done something in the first 10 days? Is it because of which you are still holding yourself back? Or what is your fear? Only you can understand what it is. Fear of losing someone, fear of overthinking, fear of getting judged, fear of poverty consciousness, whatever it is. Face your fears and breathe. Don't get hyper is what it's trying to say. Okay, rest, whatever you want you can, but I think there is something related on emotions that you will have to work. The Fool could be like a how do I say, it could be like an easy breezy attachment coming. Remember, every day is a new beginning, but learn from your mistakes is again what universe is reminding you. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st. Let's take these. We begin with Lovers. We have fighting. So this was the bottom of the deck in the previous one. We have Masters and Awareness. So there is definitely a push and pull effect in this month. We will check with the love energies, but remember, your partner is mirroring you. You have a choice. Something good is coming. Some collaborations will bring in a lot of success. Your you are the master of your life. If you see, we have the full moon and we have the full moon over here. So your higher self is guiding you something. Your experiences is something you should be looking back on rather than taking rash decisions. Pause, reflect, and then take a decision is what awareness is trying to say. So do a little bit of think where you could be going wrong. I'm not saying circumstances could not be putting you in that space, but there is a part of you that you need to understand why are you taking such decisions or such actions. It is trying to say fighting, maybe some decision or something you have taken in a hush hush and probably you're not happy. There's a part of you that is not happy. So maybe that's the reason universe is trying to say that pause, reflect, avoid fighting in your headspace or avoid having any arguments which are not required. Okay, now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Angels and spirit guides, guidance please. Let's take this. Life purpose. So focus on your life rather than getting into that headspace as to what people will think, how they will judge. People are going to keep names in any ways, my love. Okay, so you're smart enough. Whatever your goal is, you need to stay focused rather than getting entangled in somebody else's life or walking in their life. Okay, this is what your angels are reminding. Now let's come to your love life, because I don't know why we are getting a reading of a third party, but still. Angels and spirit guides. No wonder it says healthy choices and I like you. So somebody likes you, somebody wants to romanticize, somebody wants to flirt, they want to date you. Fair enough, play safe because you always have a choice. So avoid getting into third parties. Your self-care, your self-love is something you should be taking care of. So maybe that's what your the entire read was also trying to say, like, avoid getting into third party kind of a situation. Now let's ask universe, anything specific coming up for you in this month? Okay, oh beautiful, we have journey. So you are traveling places. Again, remember, be ready. Life is a beautiful journey. Learn from your mistakes and keep going ahead. Don't think, because see, past is a past. Okay, the minute we started the video itself, it was like, I don't know how many minutes, almost like 8 minutes have passed by. But time waits for no one. Keep going ahead. You are the master of your life. Take decisions and don't stop. So how should I sum up this month? Okay, I don't know, should I say face your fears or make healthy choices? I think make healthy choices is how I would sum up, because see, finance is coming. Emotionally you guys can be happy provided you have a good, you listen to your conscious mind and you do the right thing rather than getting influenced, because remember, there is a possibility that it might backfire you. I'm not saying it will, I'm saying there is a possibility. So you need to be extremely careful this month, okay, because you're going to be super active. Finance, travel, everything is coming to you. I think emotionally something you need to work up. Your angels are asking you to stay focused where you are heading, and this is your life, that's it. Don't get influenced or do not start living somebody else's life. When you have a choice, make a good one at the matters of heart, because there could be a possibility for a third party which could backfire. Okay, so be careful about it. Be flirtatious, have fun. If you won't, play safe in case if you are extremely drawn, okay, depending on individual cases. Life is a beautiful journey. Explore, keep moving ahead. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.